Hey guys, this is Money and Investing. I want to show you how it's possible and easy to make an extra $50,000 per year. This isn't a video how I tell you to make a YouTube channel, to try drop shipping, or do online surveys. This is an easy $50,000 per year of passive income. This is the easiest and most simple way to do it, and anyone can do it starting today. First, I've collected some data about the average spending habits for non-essential items for U.S. citizens. Some of this can be considered essential. I would say maybe personal grooming. Some people need to do takeouts or do ride sharing. But I'm just going to use this as an example for some perhaps non-essential buys per month. So when we add this all up, it's about, they say about really about 1,500. I'm going to take a little bit out just to be on the safe side, so about 1,400 per month here. So 1,400 per month. We're going to look at the opportunity cost due to this kind of spending on non-essential buys. So we'll start with 1,400 for the initial investment. We're going to keep that pretty steady per month. We're going to look at this long term, so I'm going to say 20 years with a relatively conservative interest rate annually, compounded annually. We can take the 10% interest rate, which is pretty typical for maybe ETF tracking the S&P 500. Over the long term, it will be about 10%. We'll compound this annually. We'll take a look at the opportunity cost of spending on these non-essential buys. So when we look at it, in 20 years, you will have almost $1 million. So $971,638,000 that you could have in your pocket if you stopped spending on, let's see, some of these things. So restaurant meals, drinks, takeouts, impulse purchases, subscriptions, online shopping. If you stop today, you could have almost $1 million in your pocket. Now this is a relatively conservative interest rate. If we look maybe 15%, which is a little high over the long term, but let's just see what it is. Having a little trouble calculating, but it will be definitely over $1 million. So I just wanted to show you just how much we spend and how much the opportunity cost of spending on these purchases. Thank you guys for listening. This is Money and Investing. Let me know your comments and what you think below. To those who are still watching, you're amazing. If you like this content and would like me to do more videos like this, please consider supporting me at my Patreon page linked below. You can also get a free stock through the Robinhood app through my referral link below. Thank you all so much. See you next time.